Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI not opening on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Gemini and here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for